Okay, in this video, we're going to do problems 46 to 50. So looking at 46, it's more of the same area that we have been doing in the previous video. So your setup is 225 over 360 times the area, which is pi r squared, 64 pi, and it's going to be meters squared. And when I reduce that, I end up with 40 pi, and I am still in meters squared. Okay, going on to the next one. Same idea. 60 over 360 is my portion. My area is pi r squared, so that's 25 pi, and I am in centimeters squared. When I reduce that, I get 25 pi over 6 centimeters squared. Okay, next section. We're going to apply Euler's theorem and solve for the missing value. So you've got to remember, and you don't even have to remember, you have to just look at your formula sheet to recall that F plus V, so that's faces plus vertices, equal edges plus 2. So this has to deal with polyhedrons. So look what I have. I'm going to write my formula, which is always good form. Underneath my formula, I'm going to put in what I have. So F is 6, V is some unknown N, E is 10, and then plus 2. This is 12 on this side, so 6 plus N equals 12. Subtract 6 from both sides, and you get N, which is the number of vertices, is going to equal 6 in this case. Okay, let's do the next problem. Same idea. Write your formula. You have a much higher chance of getting this correct if you follow this protocol. F is 5, vertices is 7, and that equals E plus 2. So 5 and 7 is 12. 12 equals E plus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides, and 10 equals the number of edges. Okay, now I have a picture. So I'm looking at this regular pyramid. Remember, it's a pyramid because it has a point up here. And it's a rectangular pyramid because the bottom is a rectangle. So the number of faces. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bottom is 5. So there's 5 faces. Okay, the number of vertices. I like counting those next because I think they're easy to count. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I personally think edges are harder to count because there's usually more of them. So I'm going to use Euler's formula, and I'm just going to solve for my edges. So I know that my faces were 5, my vertices were 5. So that has to be E plus 2. So 10 is E plus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides, and E is 8. And you're allowed to get your edges by using the formula. Okay, so that ends this video.